Are you considering the Frigidaire 6000 BTU Window AC for your small room? Well, stick around because I'm going to reveal why this seemingly perfect little AC might cause more headaches than cool breezes. But here's what surprised me. Despite its decent price and features, it falls short in some critical areas you probably didn't expect. Many buyers rave about its quiet operation and energy-efficient modes, but wait until you hear about the sneaky problems lurking behind those specs. Today, we're diving deep into the honest review of the Frigidaire 6000 BTU Window AC. Don't make a move until you know the full story. First off, who is this AC actually for? If you have a small room up to 250 square feet, like a cozy bedroom or a compact office, this unit promises to deliver steady, quiet cooling without gobbling up your electricity bill. It's designed to sit neatly in your window and offer customizable airflow with 6 directional vents and 3 fan speeds. The remote control and easy maintenance, including washable filters, sound convenient for those who hate the hassle of bulky setups. But now, as promised, let's uncover some twists that might make you think twice. One of the biggest selling points is the quiet operation. At only 52 decibels, it's marketed as nearly whisper quiet. That's about the noise of a soft conversation, which sounds wonderful for a bedroom, right? Here's where the first problem creeps in. A number of users report an inconsistent noise profile. Sometimes it's whisper quiet, and other times it sounds like a jet engine sneaking into your window. Imagine trying to sleep during a hot summer night only to be startled awake by strange rattling or buzzing sounds. So much for silent comfort. Now you might be wondering, is this a one-off defect or a recurring issue? Unfortunately, it's more common than you'd think, and the issue isn't limited to noise. The Frigidaire 6000 BTU unit struggles with maintaining consistent cooling performance, especially in humid climates. It's designed to handle rooms up to 250 square feet, but several reviewers say their room rarely felt truly cool, even at the lowest temperature setting. This inconsistency is partly due to its modest BTU rating, which is efficient on paper, but can struggle against real-world conditions like direct sunlight or poor insulation. So if you're expecting a chilly apartment oasis, this might not be the under $200 miracle you hoped for. But wait, there's more. The unit includes modern energy-saving modes like Eco Mode and Sleep Mode, which promise to keep temperatures comfy while lowering power consumption. Sounds great for your electricity bill, except some users notice that these modes make cooling slower, or even ineffective when the AC is left running for extended periods overnight. Sleep mode gradually raises the temperature, nice for reducing energy use, but tricky if you're a hot sleeper who wakes up feeling like you're in the Sahara. Although energy efficiency is a genuine advantage, you'll want to think twice if you need rapid cooling or live in a hot climate. Let's talk maintenance because nobody wants an AC unit that's a dust magnet or requires complicated cleaning every week. Frigidaire pushes the washable dust filter and clean filter alerts as standout features. I can confirm, this is one of the reasons the unit scores well in convenience. The alerts are accurate, and cleaning the filter is straightforward, which means less time worrying about hygiene and more about chilling out. That said, some users mention the filter gets dirty surprisingly fast depending on your home's air quality, so be ready to check it regularly to maintain performance. Pro tip: a neglected filter can not only reduce effectiveness, but also make your AC sound like a haunted vacuum cleaner. Now, here's a fun fact for all of us. This AC has a 24-hour programmable timer allowing you to set it to switch on or off at your convenience. Ideal if you want the room cool when you wake up or return from work. That's a serious convenience factor, making it feel more like a smart appliance than just an old-school box. However, setting timers repeatedly when the temperature fluctuates wildly can be a test of patience. You might end up tweaking settings more often than you want. The joke's on us, right? Maybe this window unit needs a little more smart in the future. Speaking of jokes, here's one for a quick breather. Why did the air conditioner break up with the fan? Because it found the fan too blowy and wanted to chill alone. Okay, enough with the puns, back to business. One of the standout positives that keep buyers coming back is the overall build quality and Frigidaire's customer service. When assembled correctly and used in optimal conditions, the unit performs admirably with customizable cooling options. The six-way directional airflow is genuinely impressive for such a compact device, allowing you to direct air to different parts of your room. So if you're a neat freak who loves fine-tuning everything, this AC's feature set is a blessing rather than a curse. To sum up the frustrations: inconsistency in cooling, noise levels that can spike unexpectedly, and the need for frequent filter maintenance in dusty environments. But these are balanced by quiet operation during normal use, energy-efficient modes, and handy remote control and timer functionalities. So the question remains, should you buy this Frigidaire unit or look elsewhere? Before you decide, here's another twist for you. This air conditioner costs about $176.99 on Amazon, which slots it in as a budget-friendly option compared to larger, more powerful units. For a small room, this price might seem like a steal, especially if you live in mild climates or primarily use the AC during cooler summer days rather than heat waves. But if you're expecting industrial-grade cooling or absolute silence, you might want to keep shopping because spending a few extra bucks on a more robust model could save you from disappointment. Now, for some of you wondering about installation, here's the scoop. It's relatively straightforward, but make sure your window frame can support the unit's weight securely. Many complaints stem from improper installation that lets air leak or causes wobbling noise. If you don't have a steady hand or are worried about measuring right, consider getting professional help to ensure peace of mind. I mean, you don't want your AC falling on your head while you're binge-watching your favorite show. That would truly be a chilling experience for all the wrong reasons. Here's another quick joke before we wrap. What do you call an air conditioner that sings? A chill crooner. All right, I'll stop now. So what's the final verdict? The Frigidaire 6000 BTU Window AC is a mixed bag. It delivers solid cooling for small spaces with helpful features like energy-saving modes, multi-directional airflow, and a programmable timer. However, it struggles with noise inconsistency and maintaining steady cold air under some conditions, making it less than ideal for larger rooms or intense heat. In addition, regular maintenance of the washable filter is essential to keep performance from slipping. If you're on a budget and live in a temperate area, this unit could be a fair match, especially if you appreciate quiet cooling most of the time. On the positive side, Frigidaire's reputation for durability and simple maintenance might make this a worthy purchase for first-time buyers or those who simply need occasional cooling without draining their wallet. With a rating around 3.9 on Amazon, it's clear the product works well for some but not all, so user expectations should be managed accordingly. Before you rush to checkout, a quick reminder: the prices on Amazon change fast and often without notice. So if this unit suits your needs after hearing all the pros and cons, click the link in the description for the best current price. Don't miss out. Deals on air conditioners can evaporate quick, just like the hot air you want to escape. Remember, no product is perfect, but understanding the strengths and weaknesses up front makes all the difference in being satisfied with your purchase. Stay cool this summer, and thanks for watching.